Are you having trouble with your ASP.NET Core project hanging on build in Visual Studio 2022 on your new laptop? You're not alone. Many developers have faced this frustrating issue, and it can be a real productivity killer. In this video, we'll explore the possible reasons behind this problem and provide you with a step-by-step guide to resolve it. If you've recently set up a new development environment on your laptop or upgraded to Visual Studio 2022, you might have encountered this issue. The good news is that it's usually not related to your code, but rather to the configuration of your development environment. In this video, we'll walk you through the common causes and solutions so you can get back to coding in no time. So, why does this happen? One of the primary reasons is that Visual Studio 2022 has some new features and settings that might not be compatible with your project configuration. For example, the new .NET 6 SDK might require additional dependencies or configurations that aren't set up correctly. Another common cause is related to the NuGet package manager. Sometimes the packages don't get restored properly, leading to build errors. This can happen due to issues with your internet connection, firewall settings, or even antivirus software blocking the package download. To resolve this issue, let's break it down into simpler steps. 1. Check your project configuration. Make sure that your project is set up correctly in Visual Studio 2022. Check the target framework, .NET version, and any specific dependencies required by your project. Also, 2. Clean and rebuild the solution sometimes. A simple clean and rebuild can resolve the issue. This will ensure that all the necessary files are generated and compiled correctly. 3. Restore NuGet packages. Try restoring the NuGet packages manually, or check if there are any issues with package installation. You can do this by checking the output window in Visual Studio for any errors related to package restoration. 4. Verify .NET 6 SDK installation. Ensure that you have the correct version of the .NET 6 SDK installed on your system, and that it's configured correctly in Visual Studio. To summarize, if your ASP.NET Core project is hanging on build in Visual Studio 2022 on your new laptop, here are the key points to remember. Check your project configuration and ensure it's set up correctly for .NET 6. Try cleaning and rebuilding the solution. Verify NuGet package restoration and check for any errors. Ensure you have the correct version of the .NET 6 SDK installed. We hope this video helped you resolve the issue with your ASP.NET Core project hanging on build in Visual Studio 2022 on your new laptop. If you're still facing issues, please leave a comment below with more details about your problem, and we'll do our best to help. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials, tips, and tricks on .NET development and related topics. Thanks for watching.